Welcome back to another video, you guys. It's your girl Risha, and we're back with the fender again. We just took the pinstripe off. Now I'm gonna get this writing off with this marker that was at the Savage Yard. You can use acetone to get it off, or as another method, you can use toothpaste. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and use some. The acetone is quicker. So if you have like some nail polish, you can go ahead and use your nail polish remover. Which is acetone, or it contains acetone. Kind of got to put a little pressure. See, I'm using the cheap, nail polish remover. So that's why it's taking a lot more time than it normally would. Yeah, almost there. Sorry. Yeah, baby. Hmm. Hard to use my left hand because I'm right-handed. It's funny because my left hand is stronger than my right hand in a lot of areas, but I'm actually left-handed. Like I play basketball, so I can use left and right hand like equally. I can write with my left hand as well, but it just sometimes my left hand, of course, isn't as strong as my right. Got this last little bit to get. If anyone wanted to know, I picked this fender up from LKQ for it was $72 plus tax. It came up to like 77 bucks and some change, but that was good compared to the $162 I saw a few months ago. So put a little more. So the more you put, the quicker you can get it off. With a little pressure. A little bit to get up here. That's it. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. German Shepherd. Mm-hmm. All right, there it is. We got all of it off. Go over the little pinstripe area. I made sure all of that was off, but just, you know. There it is. I use a nail polish remover to get the marker numbers off of my recycled or my replacement driver fender. Alright, that's another video with your girl Risha. I told y'all we're going to be uploading. Look, even had two little black marks right there. I took it off with the lacquer. I mean the nail polish remover. See if we have any other marks that I might want to try to get off with it before I wash it and put it on the Knox. Like this little mark right here. That's like a little. Alright, you guys. We'll be back again with another video. We're going to come back with putting the fender on the truck. I know I said we were supposed to come back with me putting that on, but then I was like, well, let me do a video with showing how to get the markers off of the vehicle, because I know some people don't know what to do when they see that. So this is one of the options. Nail polish remover, acetone, or you could try the toothpaste method, which, as you can see, the toothpaste method was kind of, it wasn't for me. It took a lot longer, and I would have really had to apply pressure. So I didn't want to have too long of a video. So, but yeah, there you guys go. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and stay tuned for more videos from This Chick Details. Peace out.